Shrimp fried rice. Now, make sure you watch all the way to the end and see how we get there. I want you to go ahead and do me a favor. Go ahead and go on your YouTube bar, click on the red subscribe button, and then ring the bell to get notified of all the new videos that are coming out. You can be on top of everything. Alright, let's jump back into it, shall we? I am Grumpy! And welcome to the episode of Grumpy Outlaw Kitchen, where today we're going to continue our journey into Chinese food with some shrimp fried rice. Without further ado, let's make bad life choices. Alright, so we're going to need a few things, of course. First thing we're going to need is shrimp, our mix of vegetables, garlic, soy sauce, egg, salt and pepper, ginger, brown rice, green onions, sesame seed oil. Alright, so make sure that when you're working with your ginger that you only use a little bit of ginger. You don't want your ginger to overwhelm your product. So a little bit goes a long way, alright? Alright, make sure you go ahead and dice your green onions and make sure that you just mince them up. They don't need to be pretty or anything like that. Just keep it nice and neat. Alright, first of all, you want to make sure that when you're working with your rice, you wash it. And then you want to go ahead and boil it until you see the water rolling and doing a rolling boil. Alright, so now you want to add your sesame seed oil and your vegetable oil. And then you want to go ahead and add your shrimp. Make sure that when you add your shrimp that you have it already peeled and taken the tail off, so you can just go ahead and throw it in. After that, bring up the heat. Alright, so you want to make sure that your shrimp starts to cook and starts turning pink. You want to start flipping and pulling it off so you don't overcook it and make it rubbery. Alright? Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and add our vegetables in. We're going to make sure we cook them until they're all the way softened. Then we're going to go ahead and add in our green onions, our garlic, and our ginger. We're going to cook that down. And now we're going to go ahead, crack open our eggs, scramble them, and cook those down. Then finally add in our rice and add back our shrimp, add our salt and pepper to taste, and our soy sauce. Alright, so after all that hard work, here we go, our Chinese fried rice. Thank you for watching Grumpy Outlaw Kitchen.
Long watching my video.
I'll see you next week.
Why don't you do yourself a favor and click the subscribe button, followed by liking, and then leave me a comment. Let me know how you feel. I'll see you next time. I'm Grumpy. I'll holla.
It tastes good.